Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a website link or hyperlink on your any text on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a hyperlink on your WPS spreadsheet mobile, I just going to show in this video, or how to insert a link. For an example, here I just going to type my channel name. So it's actually about a YouTube. So I just type my channel name here and click OK. So now just select the cell that you just want to insert the link inside the text. Now click on this icon option, just go inside the insert option and scroll down, and you will see an option called you can see clearly you can see the option called hyperlink on the bottom. Click this. Now you just need to just copy and paste the address here. Just paste it like this. So I just paste my YouTube channel link, and here you can just edit the text to display. And after using this, just click OK option. Now you can see it changes to the blue color with the underline, which shows it's have a link inside. If while clicking here, you will have an option to search in web, which directly redirect to the YouTube channel or link where you just provided as a landing page. This is how you just insert a hyperlink on your WPS spreadsheet mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet on next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.